Trex stock has soared more than 124%. In fact, to keep up with demand, Trex is spending on future production at a time when companies are looking to cut costs. Joining us right now in our Out of Stock segment today, Trex CEO and President Brian Fairbanks. Brian, good to see you. Thank you for joining us today.
Great. Thanks for having us on.
How much is your business up this year? And do you think it's simply because of the COVID pandemic?
I don't think it's simply because of the COVID pandemic, but coming through the second quarter, we saw a growth of 7%, and then we guided to a 13% at the midpoint through the third quarter of this year. With people moving away from the cities, they seem to be looking to have more outdoor living spaces further out in the suburbs, and has definitely driven the demand for composite decking.
But your stock, and I know CEOs don't like to talk about their stock price, but I mean, you've obviously seen what has happened. Your stock acts like you've had much greater growth, or at least the market's anticipating much greater growth down the road. Are you?
Well, we've had great growth. If we look back since 2015, we've grown our revenue at a 14% annual rate. During that same time, we've grown our EBITDA by 20%. So it's been impressive growth in the past. What's even more exciting is, as we look forward, the conversion of wood to composite products in the future. Today, only about 20% of decking is used with Trex composite products. So as we move forward, we see a large conversion opportunity.
But you have had a problem getting enough production going to meet the demand that's out there. Has that capped your growth to some degree?
We announced a capacity expansion in mid-2019 that we would start to see some of that capacity come in the middle of 2020. We saw that come on in June. And then early 2021, we'll see the larger amount of that capacity come on at our Virginia facility. Would we like to have more capacity today? Absolutely. But we're well down the road to building more capacity to service that expanded demand.